The enactment, please.
The second one, please.
Hi.
Oh hi, how
How
are
are
you?
you? Fine.
I'm
Fine.
also fine.
तुम प्रिया की पार्टी में नहीं दिखी?
उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया।
ओह, प्रिया ने तुम्हें नहीं बुलाया?
उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया।
प्रिया ने सबको बुलाया और तुम्हें नहीं बुलाया?
अरे नहीं, तू नहीं समझ रही है, मैं यूं बोल रही हूँ कि उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया।
ये हर जगह तो बुलाती है, कहीं भी जाना हो वो सिर्फ तेरा ही नाम लेती है। और प्रिया तुम्हें कैसे भूल सकती है यार?
अरे मैं मतलब यूं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया, नहीं बुलाया। छोड़।
अरे यार, सभी स्कूल फ्रेंड्स सभी को याद किया और सिर्फ तुझे ही भूल गई।
क्या करें?
सो सैड यार। ओके,
नेक्स्ट टाइम हो सकता है ज्वाइन
ओके
करूँगी।
देन,
ओके।
फॉरगेट इट।
Really
That was very
interesting.
nice.
Yes, very interesting.
Thank you.
So again, you know what we just saw was the use of the same sentence. Like the
Okay.
one in black just kept on saying, "उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया, नहीं बुलाया, नहीं बुलाया." But every time when she said that, there was the emphasis. The stress was
Shifting.
different. Yes,
Shifting.
it was shifting. If you look at उसने मुझे पार्टी में नहीं बुलाया. So there was like
Okay.
different ways, and every time she said it differently, the meaning
Differs.
changed. Yes.
It definitely
So that was
is.
interesting.
That is definitely interesting. That is also a part of paralanguage.
Paralanguage.
Okay.
Let's look at
I
the next
told
slide.
you.
Yeah.
I told you, and the meaning differs as. Can we go to the next slide, please? 39% of the meaning is affected by vocal cues, not the words, but the way they are said. That is what the paralanguage
Absolutely
means.
explanatory from both these enactments.
Exactly.
But it's just about how it is said.
Now we'll
This
talk
is
about the
kinesis.
kinesis.
Okay.
Kinesis basically is the study of body language. When you talk to someone, you use your body, and your body sometimes supports, sometimes not, and it conveys the reliable messages to the other person you are talking to.
Oh, we see more.
These are the. Okay, so the definition is the gestures, postures, and facial expressions by which a person manifests various physical, mental, or emotional states and communicates non-verbally with others. So we all use these many things when we talk to people, when we talk, we communicate to people, and we use our gestures and postures and facial expressions, and they convey constant, continuous, reliable messages.
Okay. And this happens voluntary and also involuntary. Obviously, sometimes it's an effort when you kind of wave out to somebody to say hi, that's obviously voluntary. And involuntary when your face or your hand movements just support what you are saying. Or at times they even go against, or they don't, they also contradict. Can we have the next slide, please? Oh, yes. This is about the positive gestures. I really want everybody to have a nice look at these photos here. If you look at the different postures or the different gestures that are shown here, they will convey different meanings altogether.
Okay.
Now, if you look at the first one, you look at the second one, it's a nice, waiting, beautiful little look. And then
Okay.
you have the one on the right-hand side corner down. You look at it, it's really, she is up to something, trying to think about something. And if you read what is written here, it's about open palms, eye-to-eye confrontation, smile, and equal handshake. Eye-to-eye confrontation becomes very important when we are trying to communicate something. Similarly, a smile, an everlasting smile. You know, there's a beautiful, beautiful
Words.
song, yeah, by Words. And it's
The title is
beautiful,
Words.
Yes,
See.
it is Words, and it still talks about smile and everlasting smile. Smile often does communicate so much, so much. And similarly, if you look at official language, you have something very, very beautiful, that is the handshake. And most people make a lot of mistakes when indulging in a
They shake the
handshake.
hand,
I would like to demonstrate one with you.
Okay.
Okay,
Which one's the first one?
Now, first, let's look at the dead fish handshake.
Okay.
The dead fish handshake is like this. It's almost like you have an illness or disease, and I'm going to contract it, so we don't. So there's
Actually
no
mean,
warmth.
you know, we don't have the feelings when we shake the
Absolutely.
hands.
It's
just like formality
Yes,
kind of.
absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
And now if you look at a proper 1.5.
One
Now this
and a
is very
half.
important
Okay.
because this is, if you look at it, this is web to web and palm to palm.
Palm to palm.
Okay, this is like a 1.5. And now I think with the times changing and chivalry being a little out of fashion,
Okay.
you know that it's absolutely okay even if a boy and a girl indulge in an
no.
absolute 1.5 handshake, a proper handshake. So that's about it. Now let's look at the next slide.
Enactment देखे उससे पहले. Can we go for the enactment?
Definitely. Let's
Yeah.
go in for the
Please.
enactment.
Please.
The enactment, please. Seriously at work, huh? Seriously.
Very conscious.
Very conscious, dedicated.
Look at the body language. She's very sitting straight.
Upright. She received a phone call.
Okay.
Cool, man.
Call me later.
Yeah,
Ah,
absolutely.
that was a message.
That was really
Okay.
nice. Serious at work.
So body language also says that she is sincere while she is working. And what if
And now we have
this is
another
the
one.
lazy one? Okay.
That's very apparent. Look at the expression on her face. Looks like 72 hours of non-stop work.
And she is receiving call happily, no problem with that. Ah.
I'm sure the person on the other side is not excited about it anymore. I think the boss is around.
Okay.
Yes.
And now it seems boss has
I
gone.
think yes, absolutely gone. That's a real nice one.
Beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Look at the face and expression as well.
Next 2 minutes and she's going to be on the table, completely sleeping.
That was very
That
nice.
was really
very
nice. I enjoyed this
Fantastic.
one. So again, like, both these girls don't have to move around with placards on their face saying, I am sincere and I am lousy. Their body language explains it very, very clearly. And also does the facial expression. Do you know that?
Yes, of course.
Even if you observe both these videos, they had a very clear facial expression. The one who was working in the first video, she was so sincere, absolutely concentrated looks. And the other one, her face was so clear that she was absolutely out of mood today. Okay, so let's move to the next slide.
Can we talk about the facial expressions now,
Oh,
please?
that's a nice one.
Okay.
Can we go on to the next, please? Oh, you
happy
seeing
one.
more? A happy,
The sad one.
sad one.
Ah.
Oh, she looks a little jealous, huh? Yeah.
Look at the different faces and the expressions. Faces do talk
They do.
without using the mouth. They talk.
They talk. Oh, and
Ah,
Mr.
the
Bean is
genius.
the biggest example we have right in front of us.
For gestures and postures,
Yes.
of course.
In fact, it's always said that, face is the most disobedient part of your body.
Okay. Perhaps that is the reason why it's reliable.
Absolutely, it is. It is, like we said, it's the index of the mind. The eyes, the lips, and the muscles express many, many feelings.
Okay.
Even without words, it's so clear. It can also be deceived by manipulation, but it's an art.
Okay.
I'm sure it's an art. Because it's very difficult to manage your facial expressions when you're lying, or when you're not saying the truth, or when you're deceiving somebody.
Absolutely.
So can we see an enactment for this? Oh, okay. Before this, we can
Look
look,
at this
at
slide first.
this slide. We have so many facial expressions. So clear. One man, and look at the expressions. It's lovely. It's a neutral face. It's a little serious. Somebody is disgusted.
The third one has
Oh.
smelled something, perhaps.
Yes, I think he smelled something foul. The other one is a nice. It's like a smiling one.
Okay.
Again, upset.
And the last one is
Vivek,
perhaps
absolutely struck by
Absolutely struck
something.
by something.
Okay, I think now we can move on to the enactment, the expressions.
facial expressions. Oh my. Oh God.
Oh,
Anger?
yes.
Not liking something.
She's gonna be out of the screen, sir. Who upset this beautiful girl?
Exams are getting near, perhaps.
The but it's beautifully emoted. It's beautifully emoted.
Very well done. Huh?
Because we're looking at the body
Thinking.
language and also the facial expressions.
Facial
Yes.
expression. Both.
Lost.
Planning for the Diwali vacation, perhaps.
Looks like which location is going to be best. Or lost in someone's
Lost in
thoughts.
something. She's lost.
Disgusted, huh?
Ah,
I can't stay in this place for more than a minute, it says.
cockroaches around?
Lizards.
Seems so. Okay.
This can also be
and
foul
she's smelling
smell,
something.
yeah, maybe.
And nicely done by the students.
Beautiful. Looks lovely.
Great. Happy,
Oh,
happy.
That's a happy
Okay.
look. No, look at this. Her entire face is smiling.
Yes. It's
The
not,
twinkle in
it's
the eyes, it's so
absolutely,
nice. It's so apparent.
Great.
Genuinely happy.
Genuinely.
I think she got a job. Look at that executive look of hers.
Oh my, what happened?
Oh, somebody upsetted her.
She's conscious of something at the same time.
Looks like.
She's
I think she's had a rough scolding, huh? That's an absolute neutral expression, huh?
yes.
Absolute straight neutral expression. Very difficult to find out what's going on in her mind.
So nice of you.
Yeah,
That was
that's
very
really
good once
interesting.
again.
That was once again a beautiful enactment.
Eyes do communicate, friends, and
Yes.
eyes is something very important when we talk to someone. That's the most important part of your face.
Yes.
It communicates reliable messages, as I said earlier. When somebody is looking into your eyes and talking to you, you trust. And when somebody is not looking into your eyes and hiding, it means that he is hiding something or he is not worthy talking to or trusting. So eyes. We'll talk about the eyes. Can we look at the slides, please?
Eyes. Okay.
Eye contact most effective in the goal to gain someone's trust.
Okay.
Look at the different expressions with the help of eyes.
Okay. I think the one is
Though we-
jealous, excited. Yeah.
Stare or fixed gaze suggests involvement or wonder or disapproval.
I absolutely agree.
Raised looks
yes.
show dominance.
Yes.
Downcast looks suggest weakness and submission.
Also guilt
Yeah,
sometimes.
it could be.
Yes, it could also
Absolutely.
be guilt. And also direct eye contact communicates honesty, transparency and neutral attitude.
Absolutely.
Yes, it does. It just fills the other person with a sense of confidence, with a sense of trust, and it becomes very nice. It becomes a very healthy communication when both people trust each other when they are communicating something. So that's really interesting. Now we'll go on to the next
It
slide.
happens many a times in
Yes.
the parties when you meet someone, you just look to them and you don't look to them conveys the messages.
Yes, it does.
And that is more in number. Let's talk about the time now.
Time, yes, since we are running out of time, let's look at time. Time again does communicate a lot, whether it's the time of the day, it's the time of the year, even if you look at certain memories for that matter. Don't they bring back certain memories? Don't they communicate something to us when it's about
They do.
evening, it's about afternoon? There's a lot of it which is said through time.
Not only that, and I mean time communicates in another way also. If there is a meeting at 10:30 and I reach there and I find people ready for me at 10:30, that also is a communication.
Oh, yes,
The
it is.
official, the managers who are top rank people, they are not bound of time. They don't need to scratch the card when they enter the company.
I
That
agree,
way also,
that way,
that way
yes.
also time communicates.
And it also reflects a person's personality also.
It
If you're
does.
always on
It
time or
does.
you're always after time or before time, it does reflect.
That's a part of your
yes,
personality.
yes.
Absolutely. Time and tide, wait for none. How can we forget
Yes,
that beautiful
yes.
quote?
Also, I think even signs, symbols, and gestures are equally important. Oh, but I think before that, we need to talk about the mode of dress.
Yes, of
That's very important. If we talk about the mode of dress, that's again very important. How you dress for a place. I mean, how do you dress to a place? Whether it's a function, whether it's an office, whether it's a party, or whether it's a very, very formal meeting.
Okay.
Every time you have to dress differently. You can't wear a lot of jing-jang jewelry and party clothes to a formal meet. At the same
course.
time, you can't be wearing completely dry and boring colors when you're attending somebody's party. So that's again very important. Let's look at the small enactment first about
Okay.
dresses. The enactment.
Ah,
It's a
sporty.
sporty look. Executive look by all means. There's that same serious girl at work, no? Okay.
Different
Casual,
dress,
yes. A casual look.
casual one.
Lousy dressing, I should say, goes with her personality that she enacted earlier. Absolute, traditional and conventional. Thank God she's smiling now.
Ah,
Okay. Again, a very smart look. This is an Indian executive look of wearing
Exactly,
a nice cotton
exactly.
salwar kameez when you dress to work.
doing the party.
Absolutely, by all means. Okay, so what if Priya didn't invite her? She's going for another party now.
Another party, of
Yes,
course.
she is.
That was wonderful.
That was
That
really
was
nice.
wonderful, friends.
Right. Now, I'd also like to have a small display of clothes here, and our friends and our students here are going to support us with that. Can we quickly have the display? Now, I want to see, sir, how good you are at taking a guess. These are all these clothes displayed here,
Okay,
and I
this
want
is
to tell
the
you.
office shirt. Okay, the first one, the black,
black
and
lining?
white stripes. Okay.
I think it's okay for a corporate look, but not too okay for a nice formal wear.
Yeah,
okay.
right. The another
next?
one,